Good morning! Happy 2nd of December! Welcome to Vlogmas. I can't reach it! Kill the bunny. I'm gonna kill the bunny. It's mine. It's mine. I lost it. I know I'm probably a crazy dog lady, but I don't have one this year, and so it makes me really happy to see Abby being happy about it. I'll show you. This is Abby's advent calendar. Advent calendar. Did I pronounce it right? Look at this. Ooh. Do you want it? There you go. And every time I walk by, I have to do this. Why? I don't know. It's just some kind of strange... Yeah, I definitely think I have a touching everything soft OCD. Okay. Yay! Did you see it? I feel like a marshmallow because there's so many things in my jacket and it's like really buff. But hey, I need that stuff. I mean, I have like poop bags in here and snacks for Abby, a glove. On the other side is my cell phone and my driver's license and stuff I need for my car. Yeah, so it's not just that I'm a girl and I pack too much things. It's like I really need it. If it was cold right now, I wouldn't need my gloves. But maybe I could have left it in the car. Well, sometimes I'm not that smart. My mom hates when I do that. I haven't hung it there, that you can do this. But, I mean, why? It's so much fun. It should hang there because of that. Because it's so soft and cool and, you know, I'm not gonna stop. The beast is sleeping. I think it's so cool that dogs can cuddle up into such a little ball and sleep, and it's comfortable everywhere, and it makes me sad that us humans can't do that. Hey, why should I write a book when I can sit on my computer and play some games like Minecraft? Look, I've made some abnegation houses, and they're way too big, but who cares? Yes, I was so sad when the Divergent series was over in the books, so that I just made my own Divergent Chicago. And look, this is where they can choose in which faction they want to be. I know, that's pretty nerdy. But I really love the books and I wanted to create this world for myself. And maybe one day it's gonna be done, like a real city that's broken down. Broken down. Yeah, I should really write now. Alright, 14 sentences more. I'm hungry. Let's have lunch. What a life. She can sleep, someone brings her food, someone goes for a walk with her. Don't you wish your life was like that? You can just hang around and sleep and do whatever you want and eat whatever you want. And maybe your mommy yells at you, but who cares? She loves you. So while the food is in the oven, let's play something. I'm gonna hide some snacks in there. And someone's really excited. And she has to find them. There are different mechanisms how she will get them. Let's see how she'll do. So let's try those first. She has to pull this off and get the snack inside and then pull this out. Abby? Yeah. Good girl! Let me get this. Good girl! Have it? Ooh. Wow! This one. No. This one. There. Abby. There. She's not aggressive at all. I hope you can see her. We're gonna do some tricks. Yes, you can. Abby? That's it. Oh, hey. Clap. Right. One clap, see. Ready? Bang! Unbelievable. Poor doggy had to work so hard, and now she's so thirsty. She's such a lady when she drinks. Every other dog would, like, get the water everywhere and be slobbery and slimy and everything. But she's so careful with it and so clean. We're gonna go for a walk, and of course she's wearing her light collar because we want to be safe and we want to be seen. Yeah, it's not that dark outside yet, but just in case. Because we're going earlier today. Because I have to get my freaking car mirror prepared. I have to get my car mirror, the side mirror, repaired because the car's old and it just broke. Yeah, so we ordered a new one on the internet because nobody had it. And, I mean, used parts. Nobody had used parts, so yeah, we ordered it on the internet and a friend of ours is gonna repair it, so yeah, I have to go earlier for a walk with Abby. Okay guys, that's it for today. It wasn't that easy to repair the mirror on my car, so it's pretty late right now. I hope you can see anything because there's a scratch? No! Oh no, it was just okay. Just some dust. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog, because I'm pretty sure that I'm not gonna do any sports, and maybe I'll ride some more, but yeah, I'm pretty exhausted right now. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye!